Welcome back to Red Clay Imports. Fresh off the boat, we've got this 2001 Suzuki Carry. If you've been following the channel or my website, you know that I really like the Suzuki Carry. We do have some other trucks incoming. We've got a Honda, a Mitsubishi, and a Daihatsu all on the Walkaround. But today we're going to focus on this 2001 Suzuki Carry. This is a four-wheel drive unit with AC. Obviously freshly, professionally painted in Japan. So today we're going to do a walk around, then after that we're going to do a full inspection. We'll pop it off the ground, pull the wheels and tires, take a look at brakes, tie rods, all that kind of stuff. When that's done, we'll do some routine maintenance, oil change, spark plugs, and anything else that this particular unit may need. Now it is an exceptionally low miles unit, and it appears to be in great condition, but we're going to go all the way through. Once we're done with our routine maintenance, we're going to install a lift, wheels, tires, an aftermarket Bluetooth AM/FM radio, and from there she should be ready to sell. So if you're interested in this unit, it should be available soon on Red Clay Imports. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, before we get started doing anything, let's just take a quick walk around. This is exactly how she came off the boat here. We can see she's a beautiful truck. Let's take a look inside. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll pop that odometer on here. Now remember, this is in kilometers, and we can't actually read it. I'll post it though for you. Now, one thing that I noticed when reviewing this, as you can see, you've got a little bit of damage to this lower valence, but other than that, it's a gorgeous looking truck. And we'll look at this right here. If you look real carefully, small dent right there. But other than that, this truck looks very, very good. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the front left corner. We can see we've got good brake life left. This little surface rust on the rotor, I mean, you can see as soon as I press the brake, it'll disappear. Tie rods look good. CV axles, great shape. So, looks like we're all good to go on this corner. Let's take a look at the other one. Alright, front left corner here. Once again, good brake pad life. Tie rod end looks good. Looks like we've got a new boot over there on it. CV boots are good on both of them. I don't know if you can see the one that's all the way back there, but it looks good too. Alright, looks like we're good to go here. We just need to get our lift installed on the front. Alright, with spark plugs complete, like always, we bought 4. Spare one goes with the truck. That way you know which one to get. And by the way, 4 plugs are cheaper than 3, but 2 is cheaper than 4. Alright guys, to kind of finish up the inspection here, this is the underside of the truck. We can see just how clean this one is. Your axle looks good. Everything is very clean. So if you guys have any questions, comment, let us know.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down.